Hello my lovely viewers, welcome to Zinat's Kitchen. I hope you are all well and safe. And today I have a recipe for you for Ramadan. It's aloo puri with semolina. I know a lot of people take semolina and milk in the morning for Ramadan. So this one, they can either fry it or they can cook it on a hot tawa. It's very good for Ramadan. It will keep you all day. Okay, let's get started then. Here is our ingredients for today. Some warm water, which I am going to put in that 3/4 cup of semolina. I will leave it to soak. I have some potatoes here cut into cubes, which I have already boiled. I have to mash it. Some spring onion chopped, 1/4 teaspoonful of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of coriander, and 1/4 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. This is 3 tablespoons as well, spring onion, 3 tablespoons of natural yogurt. If it is homemade, it is even better. And 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can put ghee or cooking oil, whatever. And here I have 3 cups of flour. 2 is already in the bowl, and this is the third one. 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, I will have to wait for this to soak well, and then I'll get back to you. I have to mash the potatoes as well. I'll come back to you to carry on further. Here we are. We have already mashed the potatoes. Now I will put everything. Sodium bicarbonate, salt of course up to your taste, and here I have this spring onion, 3 tablespoonfuls, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 tablespoonfuls of fresh coriander chopped, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and I have here 3 tablespoons of fresh homemade yogurt, or even the shop one, never mind, that natural yogurt. And here is the mashed potatoes. And the semolina, 3/4 cup, soak in warm water. I will mix all, and then it depends how much water required. I mean milk, I am putting 1 cup, but not now. Let me just mix everything first. And then whatever, after putting the milk, whatever water required, we'll put little by little. We have to knead it well, a solid 10 to 15 minutes. And then cover it and leave it to rest. Even half an hour resting is enough. But the longer you keep it, the better the result will be. Right, it's all well mixed now. Now I am putting the milk, warm milk, 1 cup. Here we are. I will have to put water, but it depends how much I will have to put, whatever it required, okay? That also depends on the temperature where you are and what type of flour you're using. In fact, I did not need to put any more water. I have kneaded well. Now this is a bit of oil which I'm going to sprinkle on the top. Now what I will do, I will just have to cover it and leave it to rest for half an hour. and then I'll come back. Then we start to fry. This is a very good recipe for Ramadan, especially in the morning when you're starting your fast. Remember, there is potatoes in it, semolina, and flour. And if you eat it with plain natural yogurt, which is even better, you know, yogurt is full of moisture, it will keep you well all day long. Okay, see you in half an hour. Check with a piece of wood as well if the oil is hot. Yeah, see the look now it's like bubbling like that. That means the oil is hot. In that 3 cups of flour, I have got 15 puri. Here is a puri, guys, the special one I told you about. Look. This is the one with semolina, potatoes, mashed potatoes, and the flour. Okay, I've got 5 here, and there is this one that I told you you can freeze. So you just what you have to do, cut a piece of plastic, then you roll one puri. You put it on the plastic, and then you roll another one. It's easy to remove it when it is frozen. I will have to put that in the freezer. So once it is frozen, it is easy for you to take it out. I have put it like that all together. I have 7 here. So this is going in the freezer. Once it is frozen, it is very easy to remove it. So you can just remove one at a time. You leave it to thaw naturally, and then you fry. You can remove that the night before, so the next morning when you get up for your Ramadan, for to fast in the morning, you have this ready, you just fry it. And it is very filling this, it will keep you all day, because there is semolina, there is mashed potatoes and flour. And if you can eat it with plain yogurt, which is even better, yogurt is full of moisture, since all day we don't eat or drink during Ramadan, so this is going to help you all the way. This is very filling. Okay, I will see you in my next video with another exciting recipes. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye and bon appetit.